Turtle a Christian to another chamber, where a man had just awakened. He trembled and shook as he put on his raiment. Christian asked, why you so afraid? Just this night I dreamed a dream, the heavens had been exceeding black. It thundered lightning that had put me into an agony. I looked up, my heart it pounded. A man was seated on a cloud, attended by thousands of heavenly hosts. They were all in flaming fire. Then I heard a terrible voice, arise you dead, and come to judgment. The rocks they rent, the graves they opened, the dead came forth, some with upwards exceeding black. Others tried to hide under the mountains, but they could not be hid. The one on the cloud did the world draw near, and the books they were opened up. Gather together, tears the chaff, the stubble, cast them in the fire. The bottomless pit, it was open just about where I stood. Out of the mouth of the witch there came smoke and fire and hideous noises, but gathered my weed into the gum. Why were you so afraid at the sight? I thought the day of judgment had come and I was not ready, and the angels gathered up ready, but I was left. Also the pit of hell open right where I stood. Have you considered all these things? Asked the interpreter. Yes, they put me in hope and fear. Well, keep all these things in your mind, that they may be a good in your sight, to prick you forward in the way you must go. May the Comforter be with you always, to guide you in the way that leads to eternal life. On the road again, I'm pressing on towards the prize. Gotta apply these things I've learned to my life, for strengthen me, my Lord, my King, to walk uprightly. I can't do anything right without you.